Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Stylish Hobby, and we're put together an outfit with shoes that just released. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that like button as well as subscribe to my channel. But today we're going to be talking about the women's exclusive Chicago colorway Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air that is set to be releasing soon. So guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back. And like I said before, today we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 Women's Exclusive Chicago colorway in Zoom Air that is set to be releasing next month, guys. They actually do not have a set release date as of yet. I have been looking everywhere online just to see any information, any updated information on these, but unfortunately they don't have an exact date. The pricing I know is ranging from, I believe, $190 to, I would say, $200. I'm not too sure on the pricing either. Like I said before, these are yet to be released. I did get my pair on the StockX website. I believe I paid a little over $200, which is not that bad for a Chicago colorway. But yeah, guys, let's get right into the full description and colorway on the shoes. As you guys can see on the upper, they went for a nice, beautiful kind of silk material on the Nike swoosh, which I really love because it kind of reminds me of a lot of the Ali May collaboration that she did with Nike when it came to the Califia. I love that, and so they went for that kind of silk material on the swoosh with this pair as well. When it comes to the materials around the toe box on the forefront of the shoes, they went for this patent leather, which I'm not a big fan, guys. I feel like they should have just went for regular leather. They did go for the patent. I feel like this shoe in particular, let's see how they would go when they release, when it comes to popularity, just because of course you can never go wrong with a Chicago colorway. And so in the Zoom Air, I feel like they're not that popular, but if you slap on a Chicago colorway on them, you never know. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Is it a hit or miss? Would love to see you guys' hear you guys' opinions in the comments down below, whether these will be a hit or you never know. But like I said, when it comes to Zoom Air, it's all about the comfortability of the shoes. So yeah. But yeah, going right along onto the midsole of the shoes, as you guys can tell, they went for a sail colorway, which I really love because I love the way the contrast looks together with that Chicago colorway in the top portion of the shoes. On the back tab of the shoe, as you guys noticed, they went for a leather in black. And then, of course, they went for that white leather as well on the lateral side of the shoe. On the ankle part of the shoe, they went for the Air Jordan's Wings logo, kind of like embossed onto that patent leather in kind of like an outline in black. And then moving along onto the outer sole, which is one of my favorite parts of this shoe, they went for that sail colorway around the outer sole, and then on the rim of the outer sole they went for that red with, of course, the Nike logo in the middle section of the shoe, the branding. Moving along on to the toe box, as you guys noticed, they went for that kind of tumbled leather, which I really love. It's really soft to the touch, and they did provide you with the breathable holes. On the lacing unit, they went for kind of like that leather, they went for that black leather tongue. But to be honest with you guys, that's one of the things that I do not kind of like about this shoe. They went for that big overexposed tongue, which in my opinion, I feel like they should have went with the smaller tongue. But then again, that's one of the things that Zoom Air always goes for, that exposed foam and comfortability when it comes to their shoes. Moving along onto the tongue tag, they went for the Zoom Air tag branding on the tongue tag in red with white lettering. And then for the lacing, guys, they did provide you with a set of black pairs of laces, but I did go for white on one and then sail on the other. Well, this one's white and this one's sail, just because I wanted to go kind of like a neutral color. I didn't want it to be too dark in the front of the shoes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, if you guys agree with what I did with the lacing. I went with the sail lacing on one just because it would go really well with that midsole in that sail colorway. Like I said before, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But when it comes to these, in my opinion, I feel like this is the closest that you're going to get to a Chicago colorway when it comes to the Air Jordan 1, just because, of course, the originals, the OGs, are ridiculous. So this is the closest you're going to get to a Chicago colorway in an Air Jordan 1 that's affordable. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of the tongue because it's just too big in my opinion. Another thing that I don't like about these would have to be that exposed foam that they went for on the actual ankle part of the shoe, on the sock liner, just because I noticed that when I put my shoe on, this exposed foam goes down with my foot and then I have to kind of like pull it back up when I'm done putting my shoes on. So that's one thing that I would have to say that's a downfall for me. But then again, Zoom Air, that's how they, that's what they do. They kind of go for that exposed foam to give you that comfortable feel and vibe to your shoes. So moving along onto the insole, like I already mentioned, that the sock liner has kind of like that exposed foam. And then around the ankle part of the shoe, I don't know if you guys noticed, but they did go for that silk material that they went for on the swoosh as well. On the insole, they went for the branding on the Zoom Air, and then they went for red insole as well. So yeah, guys, that's basically it when it comes to the full description on these, my full opinion. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Like I said, this is a shoe that I definitely am very happy about, and I'm happy that I'm adding them into my collection, because of course it is a Chicago colorway, and you guys already know how expensive those are. So this is the closest that I will ever, I think, get to that colorway in a shoe in my collection. But yeah, guys, let's move right along onto the outfit that I chose. I did go for medium wash jean, distressed jean for my bottoms, and then for my top I actually wore my anti-social social club hoodie, and I went for white, guys, because I feel like with the Chicago colorway, when it comes to shoes, I feel like white will always make them stand out, and I don't know, it just looks really nice always when you wear white for some reason. So that's why I went for this hoodie in particular. As you guys notice, it has the anti-social social club branding, that graphic in the front, as well as on the back of the hoodie in really big lettering, which I really like, and as well as on the kind of like the sleeve section, they went for a kind of like branding that says neighborhood. So yeah, guys, I actually loved the way that this outfit turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Like I've said before, you can always go for your own style, whatever it is that you want to wear. You can even wear a nice red flannel with this. I would say black jeans. You can go with anything, but I wanted to give the shoes a little more appreciation, and I wanted to go for white for my tops, and then just dressing medium wash jeans at the bottom. But yeah, guys, that's basically it when it comes to the outfit. When it comes to the comfortability of this shoe in particular, I would have to say, of course, it is very, very comfortable. I actually didn't even notice I was wearing an Air Jordan 1 on my feet, just because usually Air Jordan 1s in the inside are a little bit more stiff, but this one in particular is more tumbled with the leather, which I really like. Like I said, guys, I don't know if you guys agree with me, but they should have went for the forefront of the shoe in that red leather instead of the patent leather. I feel like that would have been a problem, just because, of course, a Chicago colorway, like, hello, it's very popular, and a lot of shoe heads love that colorway in particular. So I think that would have been a hit. But let's see what happens. Like I said, when they do release, hopefully they give us a release date soon, because as of now we're just kind of like guessing and wondering when they're really going to release and for how much. But when they do, I wonder if a lot of people are going to go for these. They are a women's exclusive, so I do recommend. I am a size 10.5 in women. That is the size conversion, and a size 9 in men. If you guys want, I'll leave the size conversion chart here for you guys to take a look at it, so you guys can kind of compare on your sizing if you are a male and you're looking into getting these in particular. But I got my true to size, which is a 10.5 in women sizing, which is a 9 in men. So other than that, I would have to say that this shoe in particular is a shoe that, who knows, like I said, it could be a hit, it could be a miss. I know a lot of people are not gonna like this kind of like overexposed tongue. I do like the fact that they give you that overexposed foam all around the shoe because of the comfortability of the shoe. But I just don't like this tongue. I feel like they should have just done it a little bit smaller. I know that with my Ali May Califia, I don't think the tongue is that big, but I really do enjoy that shoe in particular, and it's very comfortable. But yeah, guys, enough said about this particular shoe, women's exclusive, Chicago colorway, Zoom Air Jordan 1. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. Like I said before, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as subscribe to my channel, and leave some notifications on my videos, guys, because I know I'll be releasing a lot of new videos coming soon, and would love for you guys to always stay on top of all the new content that, like I said, I'm gonna be working on. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Enough said about this particular shoe on this video. But yeah, guys, see you on my next one. Until my next video, bye.